I want to do a little mini lesson on this. Does anyone know what this is? That's right, this is a clock. So there are two kinds of clock. There are digital clocks, which a lot of us might have on our phone. My phone's videoing right now, so I can't show you. But this is the one we have in our classroom. So some of you might have this at home, but we do have these all over school. And these are called analog clock. Can you guys say analog clock? Great job. So on this clock, this is like what we'll use in class. Whenever we come back to school, we're going to get to practice on these and play with these to practice our time. So these have two hands on it. It has this short little red hand right here, and this tells us the hour. So it starts up here and it goes around counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The clock has 12 hours, and the clock goes around 2 times every day. So it's going to have 12 hours one time, 12 hours a second time, making 24 hours. That's how many hours are in every day. 24 hours, or 2 times around the clock. Now this blue one here, this is called the long hand. And the long hand tells us the minutes. So all these blue numbers, do you see all those blue lines and numbers? Those tell us the minutes. So over here it says 5. Oh, that's backwards, sorry. Over here it says 5. So you count these little blue lines. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the minutes. They count around. So we actually count these by fives. So we go around and we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And that's going to help us tell time. Now, we started learning about money and time before we left for spring break. So this is still kind of newer for us, but it's still something you can practice at home really easily. So that's why I want to work on this with you. Because we're not in class, this is something that we need to get some practice with, and that's good for our brains to know. So I have a little song for you we're going to sing, and it's called The Hands on the Clock Go Round and Round. It's to The Wheels on the Bus. So you guys know that song, so I want you guys to sing it with me, okay? So it goes, the hands on the clock go round and round, round and round, round and round. The hands on the clock go round and round to tell us the time. The short hand on the clock goes from number to number, number to number, number to number. The short hand on the clock goes from number to number to tell us the hour. The long hand on the clock goes around by fives, around by fives, around by fives. The long hand on the clock goes around by fives to tell us the minutes. The hands on the clock go round and round, round and round, round and round. The hands on the clock go round and round to tell us the time. Great job. Thank you for singing that with me. So we're going to practice this really quick. I'm going to start this clock at the beginning. I'm winding up, getting it ready. So I want you to look at this right here. The short hand, this red one, is pointing to the red number 1. This blue hand, this long hand, is pointing up here to 60. Well, we also call this 0, 0. So let me show you that. And this is what it will look like on a digital clock. So you have the short hand pointing to the 1, saying 1, and whenever the blue hand is all the way up on the 12 like that, that means it says 0, 0. The reason it's 0, 0 is because it says o'clock. And look at that. O'clock has 1, 2 O's in it. O'clock. So we say 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. So everyone look at this, and I want you to say 1 o'clock. Great job. So then if we move it to the next one, it's going to point to the 2 and say 2 o'clock. Can you say 2 o'clock? Great job. Then we'll keep going. What do you think comes after 2 o'clock? That's right, 3 o'clock. Everyone say 3 o'clock. Now let's see if we can guess the next one. Look at this and tell me what you think the time is. 4 o'clock. Very good. If you got 4 o'clock, kiss your brain. Okay, I'm going to give you a tricky one, okay? This one's a little bit harder, so I want you to look at it. Remember, we're looking at that red shorthand to tell us the hour. We're going to read the hour first. What number is that on? If you said 8 o'clock, you are right, and you should kiss your brain because you are so smart and you are doing awesome. So this is what I want you guys to be practicing at home. You can have your family help you if they can, or a brother or a sister help you, but also you can just practice. Right now, I just want you to look at the numbers 1 through 12. I don't want you to worry about counting by 5s on the blue, on the long hand. I want you to see what number is that shorthand pointing to. If it's pointing to 8, it means it's 8 o'clock. If it's pointing to 4, it means it's 4 o'clock, okay? So I want you to practice that at home. I hope that you have fun playing outside today and you have a great day. I miss you. I am proud of you. Keep up the great work. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.